Alright, welcome back everyone. So I just actually just cut the tape here, but I just received this package. It's pretty obvious where it's from. Again, it's just a CarPro package. So I want to thank Avi for sending these out to me. For those of you who are asking, is like, how am I getting these products from Avi to test out for CarPro? These are actually their new 2021 products. And it all goes back to my original review with CarPro Elixir. I bought that product, I did a video on it, on using it, and I did a write-up on the AutoGeek forum, and Avi saw it because he does visit the AutoGeek forum, and he sent me a private message asking if I'd be up for reviewing the new CarPro lineup. I forget what year this was, and I said sure. I mean, I wouldn't have a problem. And the funny thing is, and nobody's ever said this to me, he told me he would be willing to pay for my time for me to review these CarPro products back then, and I said no, you don't have to. I'd be willing to just go ahead and do it. Plus the products alone, I'm getting them before anybody else. So I want to thank Avi for that. And so that's how it all started. And I already looked at the packing slip here to see what's in here. And let's just go over what's in here, because it's pretty interesting stuff. So we're getting the new C-Quartz Leather 2.0, Ultra Cut, their new compound, Lift, their new pre-wash, their new microfiber detergent, their new 40-pack of their microfiber towels, the air freshener, which is a 50-pack, the long shirt, orange detailer 2X, and I haven't been a 2X in at least 4 years, and C-Quartz SIC with 30 ml kit. So let's just go ahead and open this up and see what we got in here. So right off the bat, we're going to see the new towels. So I'm just going to get these out of here. Okay, so these are their new multi-purpose towels. You can use them for coatings as well. Their previous, or the other version that they have, are really nice coating towels. So again, these are 200 GSM, and you get 10 red, blue, gray, and yellow. So that's why there's 40 in here. And it's a perfect tool for a huge variety of tasks where you need to save a little money on your towels, but still utilize a quality tool. So these are just multi-purpose towels. And so I guess you could probably use these for coatings as well. Well, I'd probably use the other ones that they have. So let's get this 40-pack out of the way. Okay, so this is a t-shirt. It's got the new CarPro logo, and I think it says detailer. Yeah, it says detailer right there. Even if I don't fit into this anymore, you know, I'll still keep it. So thanks, Avi. And these t-shirts are, I think, are not going to be carried by CarPro US. Sky's the limit. So I'm lucky to have that one. We've got their products here. So this is their new Ultra Cut compound. I was able to test out their pre-release. They just called it fast cutting. So this is actually their finished product. So it has a cut of 10, gloss of 5. What I like about this one is it didn't have all that dusting like clear cut. That's why I really like this one. So it's DA and rotary use. So we'll try it out. Okay, this is Lift, which is their pre-wash snow foam. I know there's a lot of questions on the pH of this thing, and the pH drops to, I forget, I saw it, it drops pretty close to 7, so it's not going to harm your coating or damage your coating. It's coating safe from what I've seen. So I don't have a foam cannon and a pressure washer, but we'll try it in the foam gun and see how this goes. So they're saying it's a high pH active surface foaming agent. We'll see how, I don't have, maybe I'll get a pH tester before I use this, or maybe I'll just go ahead and use it and see what happens. My cars are pretty dirty, so we'll try that. This is their MFX microfiber and polishing pad detergent, which I can actually go ahead and try it on these pads because I just finished polishing up my dad's. And we'll try washing some microfibers with this and see how that does. Really interesting to see that they have this, and curious to see how it works. Okay, next one is their CarPro C-Quartz SIC, which is a brand new coating, silicon carbide fusion. Okay, so this is actually their they replaced their TiO2 with this one. So So TiO2 is discontinued and is replaced with SiC. It's a standalone coating, but you can use it over C-Quartz UK just like you could TiO2 if you want something to last longer than Gliss on top of UK. So you can actually use both. We'll be trying this on my car as well. And then part of my durability test. I already bought the 50 ml bottle, so I may give this one away. So stay tuned if I do like a giveaway with this one. Okay, we have the new C-Quartz Leather 2.0. This one is a new formula, so it's a hydrophobic water-based coat, new formula, acrylic resin fusion, extreme stain and dye transfer protection. So again, the brand new formula. I'll try this on my daily driver, on the driver's seat, see how it holds up. It's due for a cleaning because it does have the color lock stuff on there, so it's due for a maintenance thing. We'll just go ahead and clean that up and then apply this on there. And then finally, and I can smell this just as soon as I open the box, are their air fresheners. These are the lime mint scent. So we'll try these out. It's already open. Let me get this box out of the way now. Okay, so let me pop this open. It's already kind of open. These smell really good. So these are got the CarPro logo on here. They're individually wrapped, so you can use these for your customers' cars and all that. They smell really good. Yeah, really nice. So we got that one, those. So we have a lot of stuff to try out. So just give me time. We'll be testing some of these products out. We got the air freshener. We got the leather 2.0, C-Quartz SiC, Microfiber detergent, ultra cut lift, and then we've got the new towels as well. So we've got plenty of stuff to try out here. This is the new CarPro lineup for 2021. Stay tuned. Like I said, just give me time and I'll get to these products one by one. I don't have a lot of things to compound, but we can at least try this on the test hood or something, kind of see how it finishes out on the surface. So we'll try that out. It's really good stuff. The previous, or the test formula that I had was really good, so this is probably even better than that. What I like about it, like I said, it didn't dust like clear cut, so that's good stuff. So again, thanks for watching. We've got a lot of good stuff to try out. Maybe I'll pop one of these air fresheners in my car right now. So if you have any questions or comments, just go ahead and post them down below, but you'll be seeing videos of each product, how I use them, and then I'll post feedback long term with these. Alright, thanks for watching.